Now, let's talk about the top 5 best smartphones you can buy today. Before we start, can you please do like and subscribe to my channel? It's free. For the number 5 spot, the OnePlus Nord 5G. OnePlus first made its name by offering very good phone specs at very good prices, so it's fitting that it's now back in that groove with the OnePlus Nord 5G. While OnePlus phones have slowly got more expensive over the years, the Nord goes the other way and is a fantastic mid-ranger. Starting at an affordable mid-range price point, you get a powerful Snapdragon 765G processor, at least 8GB of RAM, at least 128GB of storage, and 5G thrown in as well. That's not to mention the sharp, bright 6.49-inch display which zips along thanks to its 90Hz refresh rate. Everything on this screen looks stunning. For the quick specifications. Reasons to buy. Excellent screen and build quality. Clean, powerful Oxygen OS. Packs in some high-end specs. Some compromises have been made to get the OnePlus Nord 5G to this price. There's no wireless charging and no waterproofing, and the camera and battery life are good rather than great. All in all though, this is an amazing package that OnePlus has put together for the price. For the number 4 spot, the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Xiaomi is going up against the premium smartphone players with the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. At first glance, it looks like any other flagship with a large glossy display with a tiny hole punch camera on the front. But turn it around and you'll see something completely different. The phone has a large camera module with a 1.1-inch AMOLED display integrated into it. You can use it as an always-on display, notification window, or to quickly skip through music. One of the best uses for the tiny screen is as a selfie preview window. Gone are the days of losing out on quality using a front camera. Now you can make use of all of the benefits of the main camera system, and be sure that everyone has made it into the shot. Not only will you capture better selfies, but its point-and-shoot capabilities are excellent too. 2 screens and a superb camera system aren't the only benefits of this phone, it's also one of the most powerful handsets you can buy. It handles everything from photo editing to mobile gaming with ease. It boasted even more impressive performance than the winners on this list. For the quick specifications. Reasons to buy. 2 displays. Impressive camera. Powerful performance. Granted, this handset is hyper-premium, which is sure to be off-putting for a lot of people. Because of that, it won't be the best phone for most people. But if you are big on photography and want a speedy smartphone, then this one offers something just a little bit different to all the rest. Next is the OnePlus 9 Pro. OnePlus blew everyone away last year with its OnePlus 8 Pro handset, which cemented its position at the top table of phone makers. The one area where that phone didn't quite punch as hard as its rivals was camera system, though, so that is why this year's new OnePlus 9 Pro has doubled down on camera system. And the results are excellent. The camera system on the OnePlus 9 Pro is co-designed with photography master Hasselblad, and offers noticeably better color accuracy and detailing than previous handsets. As well as a feature-packed shooting system, both images and video, with video up to 8K 30fps possible, that competes with the best phones on the market today. The OnePlus 9 Pro is also a leader when it comes round to charging tech, with the firm 65-watt warp charge charging allowing the phone to be charged from 0 to 100% in just 29 minutes. For the quick specifications, Reasons to buy. Excellent 120Hz, QHD+, HDR10+ screen. Rapid internal hardware. Hasselblad design camera system. Stylish design with great ergonomics. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is our hyper-premium smartphone choice, but for those who aren't fussed with super high-level features like digital stylus support, and just want a premium smartphone that excels across the board, then the OnePlus 9 Pro is a great choice. Second is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G is not only the best phone that Samsung has ever made, but it is one that makes history as it is the first S-series handset that comes with digital stylus support. Just like on the Galaxy Note series of phones, the S21 Ultra can now be used in conjunction with a digital stylus, even though the phone does not come with one, and, also unlike the Note series, a stylus can't be stored in it. Away from stylus functionality, the phone is a 5-star beast in every single way, from its massive, premium display that delivers 6.8 inches of real estate with both a 120Hz refresh rate and WQHD+ resolution, to its 5nm system on chip in the form of the Exynos 2100 or Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, and right through to its RAM, max spec is 16GB, and large, long-lasting battery, 5000 mAh. There's an absolute bounty of shooting modes too, including a fully manual pro mode as well as panorama, Arkansas Doodle, food, night, and portrait among others. While Samsung's excellent single-take mode means that you can utilize the phone's strong AI to capture multiple pictures of a single event, ensuring you don't miss the perfect shot. The camera goodness continues too, in terms of the S21 Ultra's telephoto zoom functionality, which allows for up to a remarkable 100x space zoom. Throw in the very latest Android 11 operating system, as well as bevy of advanced features like laptop apindex mode and reverse wireless charging, and you're left with a phone that really has no weaknesses at all. For the quick specifications, reasons to buy. Superb 120Hz, WQHD+, HDR10+ screen. Hyper-premium internal hardware. Versatile, feature-packed camera. S Pen digital stylus support. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra costs, but it is absolutely worth the investment if you are looking for a premium phone upgrade. For the number 1 spot, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Apple has outdone itself with the 4 iPhone 12 models launched in late last year, and if you can't stretch to the price of the Pro editions, then the iPhone 12 Pro Max could well be the best phone for you. It's packed with power and comes with a stylish new design, though Apple's handsets are still at the more expensive end of the scale. 5G has been added to the iPhone this year, of course, which means you're future-proofed when it comes to next-generation connectivity. The A14 Bionic processor is more power than you're really going to need, while the improved dual-lens rear camera system can take spectacular photos in any kind of light. For the quick specifications, reasons to buy. Fantastic HDR screen. High quality camera system. Now with 5G. As such, we feel the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the best phone Apple currently makes in terms of bang for your buck, and as such is an easy recommendation for most users. You can also check out the other iPhone 12 models though, as there are plenty of different configurations to pick from.